Hi everyone, this morning I've decided to make an authentic Jamaican breakfast of fried green plantains and tin mackerel in tomato sauce. Here I have all my ingredients. The detailed video for the tin mackerel is on my YouTube channel, video number 30, and the detailed video for how to make both fried green plantain and fried ripe plantain is video number 25 on my YouTube channel in detail. Here I'm peeling my green plantain. It's a little difficult because it was in the refrigerator, but I prefer to refrigerate it because the stain doesn't get on my hands as much when I refrigerate it, but it feels smoother when you don't put it in the fridge. So I've already prepared my veggies and here I'm frying. I just cut it into four and then I crushed it and refried it, and I put it to drain on some napkins, and here I'm cooking up my mackerel now with all my seasonings, and here is my delicious breakfast.